Hey, what's going on? So I just discovered something really interesting here with the Mustang. So long story short, I was prepping things in order to get the car ready to do a video. And to do that, I need to access at least, the front grill part here of the intercooler. So I can get at least to the front of the intercooler just for a fun video I was doing, nothing crazy. So, I'm just looking around. I took the top cover off here of the radiator. I'm just looking around because I haven't really taken any of this stuff off. I had no reason to. Need to clean things under there. That's not part of the video. But when I went to go look down into the little opening here in the grill for the intercooler so I could see what was going on, I made a very interesting discovery. The HPP EcoBoost has the wind tray underneath from the Performance Pack GTs. So, it does create like a funnel, it goes in here and funnels right into the intercooler, the way everything's designed. It's kind of nice. But, can you see in there? Let me know. Let me know if you can see that intercooler. Yeah, you see the intercooler? Just barely. See everything around it? It's almost completely blocked. There's like a plastic piece up top above it, and then there's like this foam insulation on the bottom. Now how the hell does that happen? Like I said, I've never had any of this off. Never touched it. How does that happen? The car has been getting like heat soaked bad. I know it loses a good amount of power, and I just thought because it's freaking hot. It's 90 degrees, it's Florida. And I know the intercoolers on these aren't the greatest. So I thought, well, that's probably why it's getting heat soaked. Well, now I think the heat soak issue is just being exaggerated beyond everything because there's hardly any airflow going to the intercooler. So I don't even know how that even happened. So anyway, I've been busy taking out all the like million of fasteners that hold this on. So we're gonna pull down the wind tray here and see what the hell is going on. Oh, that didn't work right. Whew. Oh my God. Look at all the freaking sand in there, man. Holy whoa. Damn beach is living under my car. Well, at least I can get to everything now, I think. So let's see what's going on under here. Okay, so right off the bat, this right here, it's like a rubber piece. It goes in front of the intercooler, which is right here. So I guess I gotta remove this. Oh my God, this stuff's just falling out of here. And see what's going on. Just a couple more push pins. All right, come on, get out of there. Oh, Jesus. Whoa. Oh my God. Freaking poor, oh Jesus, poor dragonfly. Oh, gee. Wait, what the hell? How the hell did a cigarette get in there? What in the hell? But look, this is what's going on. Here's this piece of like insulation. That's what's sitting right here like that. Blocking the intercooler. Where is this even? I don't even know where that's supposed to go. It's just laying there. And look, here's this plastic piece that, or it's like a rubber material, I don't know. Get a light up here. Look, the only thing that keeps it up is like these little rubber band things right here that go in right here. So, I mean, that's blocking a good chunk of my intercooler. Look at that. Like, well, here's one here that kind of fell down. There it goes, drag it through there. It's supposed to go in there, like, that's kind of hard to do this with one hand. But even then, I don't think they're really going to keep that up there. Maybe it does. But look, two of them came out. don't even know where this one is. This one's completely gone. This one fell out on its own. What the hell? Now that's freaking annoying. So yeah, evidently, just driving, these little like things that keep this up fell out. It came down, but then again, I don't even know where the hell this came from. But it was blocking. I mean, there was only like the center section of the intercooler getting air, and you can see where all the bugs and stuff are. Like down here, it's clean. Up there, it's clean because no air was getting into it. Wow. I mean, it ain't a super big deal. Like, it's gonna be pretty easy to fix, but still, that's annoying. The fact that I haven't touched anything. There's no reason that should have happened other than it just, you know, I don't know. I got dead dragonflies all over me, jeez. Yeah, has this happened to any other EcoBoost people? Do they have problems like this? Hell if I know. I just can't believe that even happened. I mean, that's probably severely hurting my performance. Especially, you know, after the car sits, no wonder it's getting heat soaked so bad. Whew, so I guess I'll have to fix that, throw it back together. I'm gonna clean everything up while I'm under there. And clear the beach out of the wind tray and get this cleaned up, because that just looks awful. If you have an EcoBoost Mustang or you've heard of this, let me know, because this is the first I've ever seen this kind of crap happen. I mean, it's a fluke, I guess. I don't know. Like I said, it's not a big deal. It's just still annoying that I have to go do this. I mean, theoretically, this would be a warranty-covered item, but I'm not going to deal with all of that nonsense for something I can fix on my own. So, whatever. It is what it is. I just wanted to make this video to show what is going on, because initially I didn't know. You know, kind of found out as I was doing the video, so a little crazy. Anyways, it's kind of wrapped up here for this video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share with everyone you know you want to see more content like this and you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel, keep a lookout for the next true car enthusiast video.